We'll guide you through how to make letters in Adobe Illustrator into a pattern. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Move to the top bar menu and click File to open the available options. From the drop-down menu, choose New to create a fresh document for your project. Select your preferred preset size by double-clicking on it, and wait for the canvas to appear on your screen. Once your canvas is ready, begin preparing the text that you want to turn into a design. Pick the text tool from the toolbar on the left side of the workspace. Left-click anywhere on the canvas, then start typing your chosen text carefully. You can use this basic method to create a simple typing style for titles, labels, or decorative words. You can also combine your text with shapes by using both the Shape tool and the Type tool together for more creative results. In this example, you will create a curved text effect to make the design more interesting. Pick the Curvature Pen tool from the toolbar and use it to draw a smooth, curved line across the canvas. After creating the line, right-click on the Text tool and choose Type on a Path tool from the hidden options. Left-click directly on the curved line path and begin typing your text along the curve. Adjust the text size, thickness, spacing, and color until the design matches the appearance you want. When the text is ready, select it, move to the top bar menu, and click Object. From the drop-down menu, choose Pattern, then select Make to turn the text into a pattern design. Set and arrange your pattern carefully, and take your time learning the available pattern settings. Click Done after finishing the arrangement of your design. Your new text pattern will now appear in the Swatches panel. Draw a simple shape, open the Swatches panel, and select the newly added pattern to see how the final design looks. This process allows you to experiment with different fonts, colors, and curve styles while creating custom pattern artwork for posters, logos, social media graphics, or packaging designs. Practice each step several times so you become more comfortable using Illustrator tools and adjusting text effects